So you guys are here. Hey. I'm just trying to be late. What are you doing? I don't know.
By the way, nothing goes out.
What happened to Square Castle?
Man, I shine even on my worst. All these hoes wanna drink, who they thirsty. She came Monday, didn't leave it Thursday. Like a state every day, like my birthday. Man, I shine even on my worst day. All these hoes wanna drink, who they thirsty. She came Monday, didn't leave the Thursday. We play with her, leave her independent, but we play with her. Leaving that ass in the corner, shaking up, cracking up. Bitches don't get no love, bring it back. I'ma show love, give it back to her room. She can go yak till we fuck in the zoo. And the whack pussy needs some loose fucking loot. I'm just.
Oh, so fabulous. So you guys, I haven't gone for a job interview over like 6 years, and you know this is 2021, so I'm like, okay, I should probably try something new. I actually applied for the position of a content creator, so it's like doing what I do already, but I'm going to be working with people. I've always been self-employed, okay, not always, but as in, you guys, okay, so I'm supposed to be there in about 30 minutes. It's not too far from my house. I just need to make a quick stop to print out my CV that I had to rewrite and, you know, dust it off from wherever it was before. And I'm kind of excited. I'm kind of tense also. So this is what I'm wearing, guys. Hope I look professional enough. I have to do my makeup and all. So see you guys. Bye. I've gotten to where I'm supposed to print the CV. Okay. Man, I've been thinking, like, because I've not done this interview thing in a while. Like, what kind of questions do they ask again? They'll be like, why do you want to work with us? I want to work with you guys because I want money. Because I want money. Like, all those questions they usually ask, I can't even remember. God, now you have to do. Anyway, look at my shoes. Guys, I bought these shoes from my friend Shemilere. I've not even paid her yet. I'm going to pay very soon. Is the system on yet? Okay, so I need to log into my email. Alright. I already sat on the other one. Wow. I hope I haven't dirtied my clothes. Okay. Thank you. Guys, I'm done. This is my CV. So I'm going to just board the vehicle and be on my way. I have limited time to get there. Guys, I am done with the interview. I didn't get called up till like 11 and I got there at about 10 minutes past 9, so it wasn't my turn. The interview didn't start for a while though, but it wasn't my turn until like past 11, so I don't even know what the time is. I'll put it on the screen right now. I'm done, and they seem to be impressed by my CV, you know, being a content creator for how many years, having the makeup skills. You saw a few of my, I showed him like one of my videos. You saw some of my special effect makeup job, the one that I did for Halloween. Maybe I will set the picture right there so that you guys can see. He seemed to be, you know, really impressed, and he's like, oh, okay, like you have a large skill set, and then we got to the money part, and that's where it got tricky. So I told them to give me a call later this evening so that I could think about their offer, because I'm bad like that. And you guys, I don't know, because my major fear is that, you know, because I already have my makeup client and then I have my content creation, I already have, like, I'm self-employed. So if I'm taking this job as a full-time job, Monday through Friday, and being that it's media, I may even work weekends. So the timing, I'm just bothered and scared that it may actually affect what I have going on for me, which is one of the reasons I never really, you know, took a job, like a job. I've always been self-employed, so I really need to think about it and expect their call this evening. And yeah, it seems like a small growing company. Yeah. Okay guys, so I want to go to the salon now because I've been considering doing some jerry curls on my hair. So I want to go and make the inquiries because I don't really know how jerry curls will look on my natural hair. So I'll take you guys along with me. I'll let you guys know when I get to the salon. Bye. Guys, I'm finally here. Are you open? I passed you for road. I don't know if like this. Hi, everything. Thank you. I've made the inquiries. Apparently, I have to come back next week to do the gel coils because that's when they'll be officially open. In the meantime, I bought shampoo and conditioner because I'm going to take out this old hairstyle. The same brand. This is the shampoo. I got their conditioner as well, and I got this. I really like this one. It has menthol in it. So I'll be coming back next week. Hi guys, what's up? I'm excited today. Today is 8th January. I think 2020 is going to be an awesome year actually. So today is the 8th and yeah. So it's a Friday. I actually did my laundry. I've had quite a productive day. Woke up really early. I'm waking up early these days, and by early I mean 6:30. Because usually I probably sleep till like 7:30. I mean that's what happens when you're self-employed, okay? So you guys, I did my laundry. I made breakfast. This is breakfast. You guys, whenever I fry plantain, somehow the plantain always manages to be black. I don't know, maybe there's just something in me that makes me want to make the plantain look like me because I'm black. But whatever, it's still yummy and it's not burnt. It's not burnt. Don't come for me and my plantain. I shouldn't be talking with food in my mouth. Bad manners. Anyway, so now guys, I want to shoot. You guys can see. Let me show you guys what the setup is like. So you guys, this is what my setup looks like. If you guys want a video where I break it down how I do my shoots, and of course I'm shooting by myself. There used to be a time I used to have someone that used to help me man the camera, but now I do it myself. If you guys want a video on how I do it, how I set up and how I shoot, you guys let me know. So let me start shooting because PHCN gives us like a stipulated time. This light is going to be gone in like the next 3 hours, so I have like limited time to shoot. Look at my ring light over there, my laptop, makeup, background. So I'm about to shoot, and then when I'm done shooting, you guys, tonight a friend of mine actually that, you know, kind of like opened a karaoke bar or karaoke whatever what I'm going to call it, kind of like invited me out, and he told me to come with as many friends as I want to. So I invited some of my girls out. We should be going out for karaoke this evening. I am so excited because you guys, I love to sing, and apart from that, I've been looking for activity. I'm always looking for activity. Never a dull moment with me. Whatever. So you guys, I'm looking forward to it. So I'm going to let you guys know when I'm done shooting, and then I'll carry you guys along for the karaoke. Okay guys, we are on our way. Yay! Hey ladies. Oh, you guys are looking so nice. Vivian, aka Sunshine. You guys know Sunshine. Yeah. Tell me my baby. Aw, so cute. Ashemi Diva. Hey, okay. Hey baby girl. Hey baby girl. Hey baby. You push and pull like a magnet too. And then my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. That's not too ever. Hey, come on, sing. Push, get, sing. I'm in love with your body. Oh, I, oh, I, oh, I, oh, I. Hey, 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 hey.
This is really bad. Yesterday was Friday.
It was a lot of fun. We're leaving right now.
Yeah.
Where's Shemilore?
She's behind here.
Shemi, Shemi is sleepy. She was already dozing off. This is my friend. And then Vivian is hyped up.
Yay!
Where's Thelma? Thelma. Come and enter our video, Jerry. Where's Thelma? Oh, we haven't shown in this video.
Come and show yourself. Go girl!
It's not mad.
She's crazy.
Yes,
She was like, they should play.
Okay, so we're going to play
They should play
ourselves.
dance music for her.
There's a car here, there's a car
They should play
over
dance
here.
music for her so
Okay.
that she will twerk. That's what she just wanted. She was so interested in the singing. That
The
girl.
fuck no and go home.
Because I wouldn't have been able to do another
You
one.
can still do vlogs here.
I was actually I filmed the makeup tutorial. That's why we came late.
Oh, are you serious?
Yeah, that's why the makeup is so dramatic. I wouldn't wear this on a normal day to come out. I was filming a tutorial.
Yes, what are you doing? I have been laugh. I swear, I have a cool. I have
Yes,
to
we are the back with
I gave my half
sandwiches. So we're going to a second spot. Where we're going to is actually, I think, Squareville or Squareville. Squareville. It used to be P Square. Yeah, it used to be P Square former. They used to live there, but now they said, my friend told me that they've converted it to some kind of hangout area. Like there's a poolside and all that stuff.
This is where lyric
I've
from.
actually been there before. When P Square has been there before. Okay, so we practically had to vote to go to this place because one of us is really tired and sleepy, and the rest of us are like, no, we came to have fun. Like we have to have fun. So we're dragging her. I'm actually vlogging. I'm a YouTuber.
So every
So
content
guys,
is content.
It is actually.
We'll sleep tomorrow.
I'm telling you,
Alright,
no,
so
we sleep today. You sleep. No, you sleep when you die.
Squareville,
Actually.
or- what is it? Square
We're at
Castle?
Squareville.
Yeah, we're
Square
at Square Castle. Yeah, they call it
It's a
Square Castle. It's a
Square
castle now.
Castle. Let me show you. It's a castle now. Tell us.
Yes, so that's Square Castle.
So what are we expecting at Square Castle?
Let's go in.
Poolside. They actually have a lounge. They have a fitness area. They have a lot of things. They even have
wow.
your space. Yeah.
Do you know what I want to see? Strippers.
Strippers.
Take off the gloves. Hey. Okay, so we're here. No, don't worry, there'll be other days. If it doesn't happen today, it will definitely happen later. Okay, we're out. Woo. We're here, guys. The famous Square Castle. So they say no face mask, no entry. P Square's for my house, right? Okay. Let's go in. See Thelma, twerk, please. This twerking you've been wanting to twerk since. Hey, oh yeah. Oh my God,
It's Square Castle, no.
where is Square Castle?
By the way, nothing goes out of here.
Oh my God, what happens in Square Castle stays in Square Castle. Oh my God.
This is so cool.
Where is Shemi and Hey, God. Please, turn the camera on. Okay. So you guys are here. Hey. Just trying to be late. What are you doing? I don't know. Is you guys are waiting for? Where's Shemi? Shemi, baby. See, when they play better music now, see that sleep will come out of your eyes. I promise you. It's because they didn't play dance music that you're just dulling. I know, I'm right. I know.
I want to make your video.
Okay, guys. Yeah, I've been here before.
Only me, no.
It's beautiful.
Oh boy, see girls, so what did they happen? What did they
He said, almost see girls, so while I do, I don't understand. Alright guys, this is beautiful. Hey, Shemilore, shall you see it now? Are you not having fun already? Should I do making videos though? You say, I want to go and sleep. Now you're making videos. You want to please dive in, dive in. Okay. Wow.
Okay, but she needs some. Oh, Abby, you would have done it. Honestly. Yeah, I'll just come to you.
Oh wow. Beautiful. Yeah, P Square used to live here actually.
So I come here. I said, look at you. I was my friend. And you know, I met these people and it was so cool. Like literally, like
How did you feel that?
my blood was hot. My body was shaking. Do you understand? But it was the most amazing thing because they're so down to earth. They're very cool. We get their Igbo accent.
I swear.
You know, all people boys. You know. Exactly, I don't know how strong it is, to be honest, because they actually grew up in the North Carolina. You know. No, it was really good. He's happy. He's singing. I'm like, next thing, he plays some fusion songs. Even a variation, like very good R&B songs. Exactly, like he plays really good guitar songs. So he was playing music, every song he was playing, I knew of his lyrics, singing and enjoying myself, and then everyone literally comes out of the house. So I think they had like some girls in the house, they had like friends in the house, you know, even Paul came out, you know, everybody literally came out and like, who was singing? Oh my God,
Why did they
boy.
find you?
I don't know. Exactly, to be honest. They come across a lot, they can't find everybody. That's how it works. Do you understand? You have to put in the work. That's how it goes. You get like, at some point, you eventually have to. That's how it goes. Alright, so let me go and talk to the DJ to play music for her to twerk.
Hey. Me and Thelma actually, I cannot take it.
Madam Thelma.
You guys are so live. I love this.
Oh my god, all for you. Done, and we are on our way out.
Oh yeah.
Did you guys have fun?
Yeah, I did.
You did, right? Sleepy head. You're no longer sleepy.